Yeah, there's been a lot of questions and discussion about the proper methods for drilling lugs to accept pre-V screw bars. And I thought I'd just make a quick video and show everybody how I do it. Not necessarily the only way to do it, but it's been successful for me. So the items that are needed. First of all, the case. In this case is a titanium case. It's a Davidson case, and this should show the worst case because titanium's harder to drill than steel. The bit. This is the most important part. I use a snap-on cobalt bit. Number 51 wire gauge size is the perfect size. I've used this single bit to drill several pre-V lug holes and never broken, and it cuts through like butter. The drill. I recommend a corded or cordless drill, full size, because they can be operated at lower speed and they have plenty of torque. And then you'll need some cutting oil, or just regular oil. In this case I'm just using 3-in-1 oil. I've taken the case and removed the crystal and stripped it down just so that I can clamp it securely. So I'm going to put that in a wood jawed vise and clamp it. Clamp it nice and tight. Then I'm going to take a drop of oil and put it, just a single drop of oil, on the lug hole. Come on. Okay. I've got my drill ready to go. Hold it very steady, line it up, and the hole will serve as a guide. Low speed. You can see it cutting. Low speed, just steady and straight, and it's through. Back it out. Do the other side. Again, drop of oil. Drill bit. Hold it in the hole. Start it without any pressure. Start it low speed. Let the hole be the guide. And it's through. Okay, we'll remove the case. Just wipe it down a little bit. Okay. And we'll test the fit with some pre-V bars. That's perfect. Just try to show you what it looks like with this screw in the hole. Oops. And there it is. Perfect. Now you know. Go on, do it yourself.